When you download a file from the internet, how do you know it hasn't been altered during transit? To ensure its integrity and confirm it hasn't been tampered with by a man in the middle, you can leverage the certudal command in Command Prompt, CMD. This command allows you to calculate a unique cryptographic hash for the file, which you can then compare against a trusted source. First, you need to get the full path or location of the file you want to verify. A simple way to do this is by right-clicking on the downloaded file, selecting Properties, and then copying the path from the Location or Security tab. I find it easiest to paste this path into a simple text editor like Notepad for easy access later. Now that you have the path handy, it's time to open Command Prompt. You can usually find it by typing CMD into your Windows search bar and pressing Enter. With Command Prompt open, you'll use the certudal command to calculate the file's cryptographic hash. Think of this hash as a unique digital fingerprint for your file. If even a single character in the file changes, this fingerprint will be completely different. You'll need to use the actual path you copied earlier. Don't forget the quotation marks around the path. The command also requires you to specify a hashing algorithm at the end in capital letters, e.g., SJ256, MD5, or SJ512. You can easily change the hashing algorithm later by pressing the up arrow in CMD to recall the last command and then editing it. After running the command, you can compare the displayed hash with the hash provided by the file's original source. Reputable websites often provide these hashes on their download pages to help you verify authenticity. If the hash displayed in your command prompt exactly matches the hash provided by the source, you can be confident that your file hasn't been tampered with and is exactly what you intended to download.